Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please settle into your seats and fasten your imaginary seatbelts. We are preparing for takeoff. Welcome aboard Flight 007 with Captain Chris Angelo. Please remain seated and enjoy this exciting journey with us today.
Good evening, Captain. Good evening, Captain. The birthday celebrant, our pilot for tonight's flight, pilot Captain Chris Angelo on his birthday day. Okay, palakpakan po natin. Okay, dito lang tayo. Okay. And before we will start our main program, may I call Gideon Canlas for the prayer, please.
Good evening po sa lahat. Inahanyayang po yung tumayo lahat para po samahan niyo ako sa maiksing panalangin. Amang banal na makapangyarihan sa lahat sa pangalan po ni Kristo Jesus. Lord, muli po Ama na nagpapasalamat po kami Panginoon sa oras na ito, sa pagkadako po Panginoon sa lugar na ito Panginoon. Lord, ngayong araw na ito Panginoon, 7 arawan po ni Jello Panginoon sa lugar na ito, Panginoon, na dinako mo, Panginoon, ang bawat anak po, Panginoon. Lord, salamat po, Panginoon, sa kanyang mga magulang na patuloy na gumagabay sa kanya, Panginoon, hanggang nag-7 taon siya, Panginoon. Lord, alam mo, Panginoon, na ikaw ang maging sentro, Panginoon, ng kanyang buhay, Panginoon, hanggang sa kanyang paglaki, Panginoon. Lord, ang mga food na inanda mo, Panginoon, sa oras na ito, linisin mo, Panginoon, sa pamamagitan ng inyong banal na dugo, Panginoon, upang maging kalakasan po namin, Panginoon, sa aming mga physical na pangangatawan. Lord, ang bawat isa, Panginoon, na namin ito, Panginoon, salamat sa pagdating po nila at ang mga paparating pa, Panginoon. Kayo ang patuloy na mag-iingat sa kanila, Panginoon. Idako niyo, Panginoon, na sa lugar na ito, Panginoon, ng may kaligtasan, Panginoon. Lord, sa gabing ito, inihingi po sa inyo, Panginoon, at sa inyong Banal Espiritu, Panginoon, na mag-enjoy po lahat ng mga bata, Panginoon. Busogin mo, Panginoon, ang mga lahat ng kakain, Panginoon, sa inyong ibinigay na food sa gabing ito, Panginoon. Lord, salamat, Panginoon, sa simula pa lang ng party, Panginoon, ako maging tagumpay po ito. Ang gawa ng kaaway, Panginoon, tinatapot po namin sa ikadaliman ng impyerno, Panginoon. Lord, alam ko, Panginoon, maging tagumpay po ang party na ito, Panginoon. At kayo ang patuloy na magbigay ng saya, Panginoon, hanggang matapos po. At hanggang sa pansamantalang pag-iwalay po namin mamaya, Panginoon, kayo patuloy na mag-ingat sa bawat anak po, Panginoon, na narinito sa lugar na ito. Salamat, Panginoon, ibinabalik na po namin ng mataas na pagpurit pa sa salamat sa langit pangalan ni Jesus at sa pagtubig ng Santo Espiritu. Ito po ang aming panalangin. Amen.
Maraming salamat po, Kuya Kieng, sa espirituhang dasal para sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating birthday celebrant. And now, passengers, cabin crew, may we call our proud parents, the proud parents of our Captain Chris Angelo, Archie and Angel, to give a short message and thanks for the guests. Please, Angel and Archie, please.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Muna po maraming salamat po sa Panginoon sa araw nito. Tayo po ay nag-tuloy po sa araw na. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta sa araw na naman.
Good evening po. Thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta. Sa lahat na naglaan ng oras. Yung kaibigan namin from Dubai, yung mga dating classmate po namin, yung mga kaibigan ko, si Sir Ma'am. Salamat po sa lahat. Sa kapatid ko, sa mga award niya, sa mga kumain ko ng event. Salamat po sa lahat.
Asan yung message mo sa kanya?
Yung message ko?
Nakasulat dito. Nakasulat sa kasulatan.
Oh, happy birthday, Jello. Sana mas,
Iiyak na yan! Masaya lang! Si Archie na lang, si Archie. Message. Papa, please. Gusto mo kita na lang. Kita dyan tayo, halika. Ikaw na lang. Mas buong loob mo.
Hello po, good evening po. Ako po yung tita niya. niya kahit ayaw niya po sa akin. So, Jeno, listen to me. Okay, listen to me. Eh, ikaw makulit. Did you understand? Oh! I don't know. Don't be too naughty to your mom and your daddy, yeah? Just be a good boy and stay healthy always and always pray to God. That's it. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Tita Juday. Maraming salamat. At hindi na kaya ng mga magulang. Paano na lang kung nag-asawa pa to? Okay. So, Angelo, did you understand what your tita told you? Yes, okay. So, what did he say again?
I don't know.
Oh, yes, tita! He understand. Very nice. And so we will continue our program now. So, of course, you understand. Our next step, next part, next country to touch down. Our flight is guided by bright runway lights. We now call on 7 special people to light and share one short wish or blessings for our Captain Angelo. So, as I call your name, please come forward. Beauty pageants. Yung mga ano po, kung matatawag po namin yung pangalan ninyo, pakipunta lang po dito sa harap at kayo po ay magbibigay ng konting mensahe sa ating kapitan. May I call on John Ray? Okay. John Ray, dito ka muna. You speak Tagalog? Ito sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako marunong mag-English eh. You speak English only?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm bleeding. Okay, John Ray. Just fasten your seatbelt and I will call again one passenger for another one of the number cards. Summer. Who is Summer? Summer, come here. Today is winter, but you're... Marunong ka mag-Tagalog? Patay na naman! Dalawa na! Dito ka muna. Okay, you stay there, ha? And we will give a little bit... Take time, ha? Take time. Next is JC. Who's JC here? JC. Come here, JC. Come here, take the cake and candle. Akala ko kanina, ang magbibigyan ng short message at saka blessings ay matatanda eh. Ano bang mag-blessings ng mga to? Abby! Who's Abby? Ayaw, come here, Abby. Here. Here. Just relax, okay? Don't eat your meal. Zoe! Who's Zoe? Abby, come here, Zoe. Next is Zaya. Who's Zaya? Zaya. Zaya. Who's Zaya? Zaya. Okay, we call on Paul. Who's Paul? Paul? Paul. We're missing one passenger. Cabin crew, did you check the seats if you're already completed? Zaya is not here. Zaya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6. Zaya is missing. Baka ipagirap ka na sinakyan doon, ha? Shabaya, who's Shabaya? Alright. Shabaya, ayan. Okay. Bababa muna tayo. Baba tayo. Kapitan! Captain, come here. Okay, Captain will be here. And you are guys here. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Who understand Tagalog? You? Very nice. Naintindihan mo Tagalog? Nakakapagsalita ka?
Opo.
Sino nanay nito? Tatay. Ay, thank you. Hindi ako tutuko dito. Okay. Captain, she will give you a short message. And please to understand what she will tell you later, okay? Okay, thank you. Speak English?
I just got his eye. I think I just got it here.
Okay. What will you say to Captain Angelo for tonight's affair, for his birthday? Message.
Dear Day, I wish you to be good to your parents.
That's all? Thank you, ate. Okay, wait a minute. Kapitan, Captain, did you understand what I told you? Say
I don't know.
Okay, I will tell you. She said, please always listen to your parents. Are you listening to your parents?
Yes.
What you listen to them? What you heard? What they are telling you? Good deeds, good talks.
Good
Things. What they said? Never? Never talk. Okay, next. You, okay. Kami na. What's your name?
J.E. or NJC or JC.
You speak Tagalog now? Little bit. You understand Tagalog? A little bit. So, by the way, anyway, our captain is English speaking, so you can talk to him English for a short message. What will you say to Captain Angelo for his birthday?
I wish you a happy birthday, Angelo. I wish you a happy birthday, Angelo. And more birthdays to come. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, Captain, don't sleep, ha? You're the pilot for tonight's flight. Ate, come here, ate. We're not yet finished. You go to Tita. Angelo, what did her birthday wish to you?
I don't know.
You don't know again. You don't know. Oh, you don't know. You're not listening. You're not listening?
I'm listening.
She said, happy birthday, Angelo. More birthdays to come. God bless you. Okay. Listen to every word and sentence what they will tell you, ha? Ate, you're next. What is your birthday wish to Angelo? 1, 2. No. Question and answer. What is your birthday wish to Angelo? Ang haba. Birthday wish to Angelo. So, just greet Kuya Angelo na. Angelo? Happy birthday daw, sabi niya. She said happy birthday. Okay, thank you. Our next, Paul. Paul, you speak Tagalog? Yes? Anong sasabihin mo kay Angelo ngayong birthday?
Happy birthday!
Yes! Happy birthday! You're not Angelo! Ate!
Happy birthday, Angelo!
Alright! Thank you, Kuya Paul! Next! What's your name? John Wayne! What you will tell to Pare Angelo? Kapitan Angelo?
Happy birthday, Angelo. I wish you behave to your parents.
What is it? Kuya Angelo, happy birthday! I wish you behave to your parents. So, you will know you're naughty? Oh, of course you're not naughty. Mama and Papa loves you too much. Ate, you're next. What you will tell to Captain Angelo?
I wish you will always listen to your parents to have a good job and use
Wow! What is it? You listen always to your parents and have a good job soon. Yes, you will become a captain. Ay, pinapakala. Thank you very much. Sino nanay nun? Anong parents nun? Hindi ko naisip yun, ha? Hindi pa siya naisip niya. What you will tell to Kuya Angelo? Yes, be kind to the proud parents. Thank you very much, young girls and young boys. And we have, ano yan? Luto nila na? Wait lang po, just wait ha. Thank you all for all the best wishes and message to Kuya Angelo. May mga malalalim silang sinasabi ako na hindi ko talaga naisip. Ako lang siguro, hindi na kayo kasali doon. Captain Angelo, now you have to blow the candles one by one. Our captain will blow the candles one by one as the wishes for him will come true, inshallah.
Oh, that one. Very good.
Yay! Thank you very much for the wishes. You can now take your seat. Passengers, cabin crew, please assist the passengers. Yeah. Thank you very much. Give to Kuya Angelo. Kuya Angelo. Right. May mga malalalim na mga mensahe sa mga bata para kay Angelo. Mga bata pa lang yun, medyo malalim. Ang iba sa kanilang malalim yung kanilang wish kay Angelo. So now, siguro naman, our next 7 weeks of love ay magbibigay rin ng konting mensahe at i-welcome si Angelo. Kinatok yung ating ano? Captain, don't sleep. You are the pilot for tonight's flight. We will be crash. All passengers. How many passengers? Okay? So, i-welcome po natin ang mga titos and ninangs, titas and ninang magbibigay po ng mensahe para kay Kapitan. Ayan. Hindi ka na makakapapa. Behave, Kapitan. Behave, Kapitan. As I call the name of this person, can you please come in front? Tita Judy? Tita Marjorie? Tito Tony? Ninang Heidi? Ninang Heidi? Yes. Ninong RJ? And Tita Jolifer. Last is Tita Ella. Sila ang mga seven adults na magbibigay ng wish and message to Captain Angelo for tonight. First is Tita Judy. First flight.
Hello po ulit. Good evening po, everyone. Yes. Angelo, what airlines is this?
Etihad.
Wow.
So, Etihad. Yeah, but it's not related here, no? My wish is, just have lots of fun today. Just enjoy your day. And always be a good boy, as always, as I've said to you. And then, keep loving your tita. Huh? I'm not your kalaban. I'm your tita, okay?
Is she gonna be late to your life? She gonna be late to your life? No?
Yes.
Oh my God. Kontrabida ka ba sa buhay niya? Thank you. Next is Tita Marjorie.
Hello po, magandang gabi po. Hi my friend. Happy birthday. I hope you grow up kind, loving, and sweet, and you stay humble, God-fearing, and family-oriented. Okay? Happy birthday again.
Thank you, Tita Marjorie. Next is Tito Donnie.
Happy birthday, our friend, Captain Jello. Yes, this is the age of thing. I hope that you will soar high, but stay. Yes. I hope that you will soar high and not stay grounded on the ground. And I hope you have more wonderful years and turbulence, zero turbulence years ahead of you. And I'm sure that you are surrounded with a loving family with clear and at the ages, Tita Dai, and we will. So we are your friends. So happy birthday once again.
Thank you, Tita Donnie. He can manage the turbulence. He's the captain. He's the captain of his soul. He's the captain of his charm. Next is Tita Ella. Sorry.
Hello.
Tita Ella.
Hi, my friend. Happy birthday.
Is this a
This
couple?
is for you, yes. I wish you nothing but the best in life, okay? And I hope you fulfill all your dreams, especially when you grow up, okay? Be a good boy always.
Okay.
Birthday.
Thank you, Tita Ella. Siyempre, I wish you nothing, but meron pa rin. No? Ito talaga ng English na natin. Ayaw tayo nung ginahirapan ako mag-English. I wish you nothing, pero, di ba? Meron pa rin. Next is Ninang Heidi. Ninang...
Jello, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Are you happy today?
Yeah.
See, you have a lot of friends and families that love you. We wish for you that you grow resilient in all challenges of life, to be God-fearing and God-loving, and know always that we are here for you and for your parents as well. Behave and be your parents. Happy birthday! We love you!
Thank you, Ninang. Next is Tita Jo. Tita Jo.
Hello, good evening everyone. Jello. Happy birthday to you, Jello. It will be short. May all your wishes come true. Always be a good boy to your mama and papa. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ang lakas maka-thank you. Naintindihan kaya niya. Next is Ninong RJ. Ninong.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Jello, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Wish ko lang, kapag ako.
Sana maging mabuting bata ka sa paglaki mo at maging masunod sa mga magulang. At saka sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang. God bless. I love you, Nanay.
Thank you, Ninong RJ. So napakinggan po natin ang mga wishes ng mga tito at ninang at naintindihan po rin yan ni Angelo. Kahit sinasabi niyang I don't know, but he understands truly. Yan. Okay, thank you mga tito at ninang. Okay, maraming salamat sa mga mabibigat at matatamis na mensahe sa ating kapitan ngayong gabi. You have your 7 candles, and you have already your 7 plates, and we're already complete. Yeah. The next part of the program for tonight's affair. The next program for tonight's affair is the best part. Best part. Kainan na po muna tayo bago tayo mag-start ng mga ano. Anong oras na? So let's have a stomach progress. Cabin crew, please prepare the food, and our passengers are already hungry. Thank you. Okay. Sige, kain na po muna. One.
Pag wala kayo pong baso, bakit?
Happy food. What did you prepare for the food tonight? Marami. Filipino, chicken or beef? Chicken or beef? Hindi ko kaya parang ito na makasa na kung dito ba exit. Dito po ang exit natin, dito po ang exit. Thank you. Okay, hindi po tayo naplano. Oy, uli. Mga natin din ha. Mga kutsara. Ano? The captain, the birthday celebrant for tonight's flight will blow his candle at his 7th birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain, the birthday celebrant for tonight's flight will blow his candle at his 7th birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Haji. Happy birthday to you. Okay, before you blow your candle, do you have a wish?
Good health for me and for my family.
Alright! Again. What is your wish?
Good health for me and for my family.
Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Inshallah. Okay. We will count 3. We will blow the candle. Guests, cabin crew. Ready? 1, 2. Saglit. Wala mag-picture dito sa likod. Photo dito sa likod. Photo dito sa likod. Para nakarap yung mga bata. Yan. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Alright. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Angel. for tonight. Dito tayo, baby. Oh, yeah. Dito tayo. Okay, children. Listen, children. Listen to your teacher. Kindergarten teacher. Okay, who wants to play a game? All of you? Wants to play a game? Okay. Who wants to participate? Raise your hand. Okay. Come here, in front of me. Who wants to participate in this game? One. Come here. 1, 2, 3. All of the above. Okay. We will make a...
Now, ito na ang pinakamahirap na kanta mag-express sa mga bata ng English. Okay, listen kids. Children, listen. Listen carefully to your teacher. We have a plane, okay? This plane will fly to all of you. For example, you are country Puerto Rico, Espanyol, okay. Hungarian. Porpo kayo ah. Okay. Listen ha. We have a plane. Plane. This airplane will fly in your hands, okay? Every now and then, you will pass the plane to your next partner. You understand? It's display. For example, he will hold the plane. Okay. Let you remove your hand to each other. You release your hand to each other. Release your hand now. Release. Okay.
Okay kids, this game, what we do, this one is the Stop Dance Airplane. So we have a song, once the song it will stop, whoever handling this airplane, it will be out of the game. So whoever is the remaining at the end of the game, you're the one who wins the prize. Okay? Did you understand kids?
Okay. You understand kids? Will you repeat it for me please? Yes. Okay, you repeat it. We have a plane. This plane you will hold this plane, and there is music. While the music is still playing, you have to pass to him. Okay? The music is still playing, you have to pass to him. The music is still playing, you have to pass to him. And when the music stops, whoever holding the plane will be out of the game. Okay? I'm sorry for that. Okay? Understand again? Yes. Okay. What is the prize, Tita? Of course, whoever the winner will have a big prize. Okay? What's the prize, Tita? Alright. Okay. You have the gift. If you win this game, you have a gift. Okay, we'll start now. We'll start now. What's the music? Okay, now. You ready? You ready? You ready? Ready? Let's get it out. Music. Pass the plane. 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 Yes. I'm sorry. Siya.
Okay. What is your name, baby? What is your name?
Nakakayak naman.
One more, kuya.
Nakakayak naman. Tumagtunga siya. Nakakayak siya.
One more.
Okay. Trial. Okay. Very good. You did a good job. Okay. Now this time is final. Okay. Whoever holding the plane, when the music stops, you will be out. Okay. Okay. Ready? Ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Okay. You ready? Yes. Yeah. Music. Pass the plane. Alright. Tulungan ka. Ito lang this thing. Isprot yung bahay. Tulungan ka. Tulog tawis. Okay. There's. Okay. There's. Okay. Now, Nigeria, but don't press this one too much forward because they will class off. Ito lang kaya. Okay. Ready? Okay. Ready? Before pass the balloon, before pass the plane, pass the balloon. Okay? Whoever touches the balloon, she or he will be out again. Okay, ready? Go! I'm sorry, Captain. You're out of the game. Yung piloto natin. Yung piloto natin. Ano pa sasabihin nyo? Sorry, you're out of lalo ko poses. Okay, start, game! Alright, okay. Tabla. Dalawa. Walk a little bit, give a little bit space. So, side by side, there is 1 inch, 1 inch. 1 inch. Yes. Perez, assist. Perez! Sorry, get out. See you next time. I will call you again for the next day. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Alin, ba? Alin, pasero. Okay. Next. Pasok. Sorry, Pogi. Pogi mo pa naman. Love na kita. Pogi mo ka ba? Sorry, see you next flight. Okay, start. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, see you next flight. Inabutan siya. Sorry, the next slide. Dala sila. Ay! Lima na lang. Gusto na kong nakastos. Next. Tabla. Dalawa sila. Whoever 2 will starts clear, 2 will be the winner, okay? You have prize. Go! Dance, sorry, kita. Okay, who will be winner? Who will be winner? Concentrate. Okay. Wait. Tatlo na lang, mag-ibay. Meron dun. Tabla. Don't be distracted to that. Sorry. Come here. Concentrate your game, okay? Don't be distracted to that. Concentrate on music. Sorry, sir. Huwag ka pumila. Don't cry. Walang music! 1, 2, 3, walang music! Now! Baka may kapilayan dito ah. Okay! Patabi muna to. Blue! Bilisan lang ninyo ah. Bilisan lang ay. White! Blue! White! Dami ka lang naman. Sige, ako ba kayo? Mabilisan to! Mabilisan ako. Okay. Parang snow, 200 na tayo. Okay, bakit? White! Vicente. White! Ay! Saglit lang. Papadisgrasya ka dyan. Blue! Ang galing. Yes! Blue, white, blue, black, blue, white, black. Ang magaling. Okay. White, black, blue, black, white. Ang galing naman ng mga tagal ng kulay. Tagal ng kulay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hanapin natin yung isa kulay. Yellow, okay. Basta yan. Hinihilang na ako dito bukas. Wala na ako boses eh. Basta yellow. Okay, apat. Yellow ba yan? Baka orange. Yellow. Okay. Uy, baka na tayo ng ano. Okay. Blue! Black! Yellow! 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 Dalawa. Dalawa. Basta balik kasi mga pano nyo. Okay, basta balik ka. O, lapit-lapit. Okay. Okay. Ito tayo. Okay. Tagalogin natin. Ilaw! Itim! Bukhaw! Hilaw! Puti! At least, nandyan kayo lahat. Ibig sabihin, flexible pa rin kayo. Okay. Okay. Puti! Bukhaw! Itim! Bukhaw! Hilaw! Puti! Expected ko na yan. Ano ba tayo eh? Okay. White, blue, black, and yellow. Yellow, black, yellow. Black, yellow, blue, and white. White and blue.
Huh? Sir, ipatalikod niyo na po sila.
Ah? Okay. About place. About place. Okay, tandaan niyo na. Tandaan niyo. Ang kahit nila yung ano tiles. Okay. Kung minsan pala kailangan tantayan mo. Okay. Black! May ano ba mga iba din? Baka may mga disgrasya sa atin, baka may matapilok. Okay, atras tayo, atras. Yan. Para hindi na yung nandun sa taas. Yung nandun sa taas, nakababa na. Okay. Ulit. Woo! Okay, ready? Hits! White! Blue! Black! Yellow! Yellow! Black! Blue and white! Blue and white! Galing nila! Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Black! Yes! Ayan. Sorry. Okay. Papatastas ko mga mata. Mga mata. Ayan. Yellow! Black! Up! Tanggal si ate. Apat na. Ilan ba nanalo dito? Apat na lang sila. Apat na. Dalawa na tayo. Kasi sa tayo sa blue. Ay! Excuse tayo sa yellow ah. Black. Oh, tingnan ang kata. Black, blue, white, and blue, white, and blue. Okay. Tatlo, tibay-tibay. Mga dancers. Yellow, black, blue, and yellow. Blue and yellow. And yellow. And yellow. And yellow. Congratulations! Tingnan niyo naman, yellow pa lang, naninilaw na. Thank you very much. Stop sa kalit. Picture muna. Hello, picture. Ano? Ito kami na. Go. Picture. The winner. Ako. Okay. Wow.
tinatanong ko yung tatayumin ninyo.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa intervention nila.